Welcome to the video. Today we will see how you can remove background in just one click. I will show you how to do it in 3 different cases: as a video, image or with a green screen. Let's get started. Firstly, I have a video in front of you guys. If you want to remove the background, simply click on the clip. In the video, you will find the cutout option. Over here you have two options, either auto cutout or chroma key. So chroma key is useful when we have the green screen, else always use the auto cutout. Simply click on auto cutout. As you can see, within seconds the entire background will be vanished. Now let's see how you can do it if it is an image. We'll follow the same steps. Simply click on the image, in cutout, click on auto cutout. The entire background has been vanished. And for example, if I keep this image on top of this clip, you can see this is very precise. I'm keeping it back. In CapCut, you also have options of playing with stroke. For example, if I click on this, as you can see, I can just play around with it. Decrease the opacity and also increase the size if I want. You also have an offset stroke option. You can use this kind of image in your thumbnails. And you can also change the colors. Okay, let's move to the third way. In this, we have green screen. The best way of removing the color over here, click on the clip. So over here, instead of clicking on auto cutout, click on chroma key. Now do you see this color picker? Simply click on it. Bring it on the clip, you will see that the background has vanished. Click over here. Now you can increase the strength if it is required, and similarly you can also increase the shadows. But in our case, it's not at all required. As you can see, the background is properly removed. I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn how to edit like pro YouTubers, check this playlist. And I will see you in the next video.